Welcome to our channel. If you want to install unlimited TV shows on your Fire Stick using a downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions for endless television content. Step 1. Turn on your Fire Stick and navigate to the search bar. Search for Downloader and install it. Step 2. Launch the Downloader app and click on the URL input field. Step 3. Enter the downloader code for unlimited TV shows and press Go to begin downloading. Step 4. Allow the APK file to download completely. Monitor the progress shown on screen. Step 5. Once downloaded, an installation prompt will appear. Click Install to proceed. Step 6. Wait for installation to complete, then click Done. Delete the APK file if desired. Step 7. Go back to your Fire Stick home screen and find unlimited TV shows in your applications. Step 8. Open the app and access an unlimited collection of TV shows from various genres including drama, comedy, action, thriller, sci-fi, and more. Browse by category, search for specific shows, or explore trending series. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.